Hey guys, Steve Welch again, Beeman Toyota in downtown Nashville. I wanted to come to you here on, this is the supplement to your TRD Sport, kind of showing you what the difference is between the premium and the non-premium when it comes to the TRD off-road. So this is kind of a short video again to show the difference between the two, of course, when it comes to the premium and the non-premium. So once again, I am Master Certified Everything Toyota, a Sales Society winner, and a product trainer and mentor here at Beeman. So I wanted to show you a few things. First off, you will notice that there is a difference on your premium when you look at the very front. You're going to have LED fog lights. You have LED headlights. Now, the one that I had done on the off-road, this is, you can see the difference here. So you have your focus beam headlights, but you do not have your LEDs. It's actually late enough. I'm going to go ahead and turn those on for you and I'm going to open this up and kind of give you a idea of what these actually look like. So you can kind of take a peek here, and we're going to look here. I don't know how well you can see them here on the video, but they are the LED lights. And they do look awesome. Might even do a special video here on just the lighting on the premium Tacoma here. And I want to show you one other thing too. I'm going to go ahead and shut those off, and I'm going to turn on our hazard lights here, because the hazard lights do look a little bit different as well. And you'll see how those go. They have that run to them. That's something else that's different on your premium with the hazard lights. So wanted to show you that. I'll go ahead and show you the back here too, so you can kind of get an idea, just in case you're wondering how those look. Kind of tight here on this fence, so wanted to show you those. So anyway, so now getting into your off-road premium. Now this one's got a special dash here in here, so wanted to show you the interior. This is your, I call it orange, I would say, interior. Kind of getting a idea of what it would be. So called black and gunmetal. So it is what it is. So, or actually no, this one's a little different. This one would be your black and orange. All right, so kind of giving you an idea of what the difference would be between your premium off-road and your non-premium off-road. So basically, the biggest thing that you'll notice is, like I said, your interior. Your headlights will be a little bit different. You have the top JBL system. Of course, when you're looking at the premium, you're going to have that. Now, this one's also got your technology package. Your technology package will give you your blind spot monitor, which is right here. I'm going to go ahead and pop these lights on so we can kind of see a little bit better. Gives you your blind spot and your parking sonar. That's your technology package in your off-road. That's available in your non-premium as well, but that is one of the things that's available there. So and I keep saying off-road, I mean the Sport. Apologize for saying off-road. I just did an off-road video. Now I mean the Sport. So your Sport is also going to have your Sport Premium, sorry. So this is the dual climate control, heated seats, leather interior as well on this one, and also a sunroof. So you have a sunroof here. So that is, like I said, that's pretty much the main differences when it gets to the difference between your off-road and between your Sport and your Sport Premium. Definitely want to notice that. Also, your JBL system, integrated map. You're also going to have the remote connect ability to start your car from your phone, destination assist, so they can actually send something to your phone or to your head unit here and get your destination. Also, you're going to have the ability to like I said, unlock your car. There's your SOS buttons in this one as well. Service Connect with the 10-year trials on here as well. So definitely get a few extras when you go to the Sport Premium. I got one of you here to see me now, so I'm going to go ahead and sign this video off now, but I'm hoping I'm helping you guys to know the right vehicle for your needs when it comes to the Tacoma. This is your TRD Sport. This is the supplement to your TRD Sport for your premium level of this vehicle. Steve Welch, Beeman Toyota. Give me a thumbs up and a like. Definitely thanks to each of you for taking care of me. I appreciate you all putting any questions, comments in the comment section there, and I will definitely try to answer everyone I can. So I appreciate you guys. Sorry for the short video, but hopefully I've answered some questions on your premium. TRD Sport, TTLS, your Toyota trim level series. Steve Welch, Beeman Toyota. Have a great day.